Now we are here, a small group, and you meet with yourself and with me, many of you, weekly, in an intimate relationship. There are those who will listen to me speak. And I believe that you are there, audience, though I cannot see you. You are quite invisible to me. You can see the people in this room, and so you believe in their existence, but they cannot see you. And yet they believe in your existence. We then ask you to realize that though we cannot see you, we agree that you exist. I am sure that you do not need our agreement. Nevertheless, we all ask you to realize that when you look in the mirror, you see images of yourself, but you do not perceive the inner self that you know exists. And so each of us here asks each of you to realize that you have an inner identity that you cannot physically perceive, and an inner voice that you do not hear with your ears. Each of us here therefore asks you to admit the validity of your own being, to enjoy the being that you see and feel and touch, and yet to realize that you have still greater vitality and reality. We ask you, in the most scandalous manner possible, to realize one thing, that you are good, that you are blessed, and that there is nothing wrong with you.